Headphone aficionados and anyone who's ever been stuck on public transport next to a guy loudly discussing his entire life story, Sony just dropped the WH-1000XM6, the latest heavyweight contender in the noise-canceling ring. 3 years after the last champ, the XM5, these bad boys are here to crush your noisy world and maybe your wallet a bit too. Sony is not messing around. They boldly claim the WH-1000XM6 are the best noise-canceling product on the market and have been improved in every single way from their predecessors. Basically, they're the tech equivalent of showing up to a boxing match with a laser-guided noise-zapping glove. The XM6 comes with a new 30mm driver and Sony's latest QN3 processor, translation, cleaner sound, and even better noise cancellation. They've packed in 12 microphones, up from 8, plus a noise shaper that smooths out sudden sound shifts. No more ear-jarring crackles. Sound-wise, you still get Sony's signature punchy bass, warm mids, and crisp highs, but it's more balanced than the XM4. Whether ANC is on or off, the audio is immersive and super clean. If you want to feel like you're in a bubble, the WH-1000XM6 got you covered. In busy places like public transport, bustling streets, or your loud office, these headphones bring near silence. Almost like hitting the mute button on life. If you want to be a bit more street smart and still hear the world, like when you don't want to walk into a pole, the ambient sound mode is customizable with a slider from 1 to 20. That's not just some gimmick, you can literally dial how much outside noise leaks in. Plus, voice pass-through lets you catch conversations without taking off the headphones. Neat, right? Sony blended the best of past models in the WH-1000XM6. Folding hinges are back, your backpack approves, and the case is more compact. The wider headband adds long wear comfort, though the ear cups still look a bit chunky. Smart features shine here. Adaptive sound control adjusts ANC based on your activity, and the Sound Connect app lets you tweak everything. Audiophiles will love LDAC support, and DSEE Extreme makes compressed tracks sound fuller, perfect for Spotify listeners. Cinema Mode turns your phone into a mini movie theater with 360 reality audio upmix. Great for immersive streaming. Auracast is a standout new feature, letting you listen to broadcasts without pairing, like a personal radio. The right ear cup's touch controls are intuitive, and the quick attention mode is perfect for quick conversations. With 30 hours of ANC battery life and a 3-minute fast charge for 3 hours of use, the XM6 is smart, responsive, and daily life ready. These headphones come with a premium price tag, $449. That's about $50 more than the XM5 at launch, which might make some people hesitate when the XM5 can now be found cheaper. If you want the very best noise-canceling headphones right now, the Sony WH-1000XM6 is a top pick. They silence the world with style, comfort, and a ton of nifty features that make everyday listening a joy. Sure, they're pricey, but if you've got the budget and love great sound, plus some serious noise elimination, these are pretty much the headphones to beat in 2025. The Sony WH-1000XM6 delivers top-tier noise canceling. Better than Bose in my tests, with balanced, punchy sound thanks to its new driver and processor. Packed with smart features and intuitive touch controls, it's a joy to use. They're comfy, foldable, and travel-friendly. Battery life is solid, though not class-leading, but they're still cheaper than the AirPods Max. A strong pick for premium wireless headphones. Got questions? Drop a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe.